Alrighty, so we've got an Xbox One S. Actually, no, Xbox One X that a customer brought in to me today. This is a local customer. Basically brought into me because there is no display coming out from this Xbox One X at all. Now, the odd thing about this console. Oh, and I just shut it off right now accidentally. The odd thing about this console is that this console is actually turning on. As you can see, the console is actually on real quick. And also, my HDMI port display, as you can see, it actually shows that the HDMI port itself, it's good. So that means my HDMI port, as well as my retimer chip, potentially are both good. So I'm thinking the reason why this console is actually not displaying, it's actually going to be the hard drive. It's probably going to be a bad hard drive. Let's go ahead and pull the hard drive out of this console and let's validate to see if in fact that's the case. Alrighty, so I've taken out the hard drive completely out of the Xbox One X. I've plugged it in my caddy, which is over there. And I am waiting for it to show up over here, which it just did. It's right there. The hard drive itself is actually at 100%, so the issue is definitely not the hard drive. We did validate the internal from inside the actual HDMI port itself. It's actually healthy. And also validated that these pads here were soldered on properly and that they are not loose, and they're not. It's actually in very, very, very good condition. Of course, we've already tested the actual hard drive. The hard drive was at 100%, so nothing's wrong with the hard drive. The only other two items that I believe could be causing this no display issue is either the TDP-158 and/or the ESD booster chip. Let's hope that it's not this ESD booster chip. So we're going to go ahead and replace this TDP-158, which is the redriver chip, and then we're going to test right afterwards. Alright, I went ahead and put the console together just enough to be able to test. I do see that the HDMI port, again, of course, it is testing successful. Let's see if we have a display, though. I just turned the TV on right now. And we definitely do have a display now. The only bad part is that it's showing us a low resolution. I don't know if it has to do with the settings. We'll validate that right now. Alrighty, so it was definitely due to the settings. We do have 1080p, and we're good to go.